Okay, my people, today we're gonna knock it out of the park for sure with this grill trout. This is trout, and we're gonna grill it outside. Just follow me step by step. Here I have the freshest trout that you can get. I just got these from the market this morning. Look at how fresh they are. They're super soft, fresh, they're clean. And just follow me, and I will get this seasoned and ready for the grill outside. This is beautiful, beautiful. I think these are called yellow trouts. So any kind of fish will be kind of the same. So this recipe will serve you with whatever fish you prefer. So I like to cut it with a nice knife. I like to cut some, make some cuts here on the skin, just like that. Not too deep, because you don't want to get all the way down to the bone or all the way down to the other side. Just make those cuts along the skin, 6 or 7 of those. You see how they're not super deep, but they are a little bit, about 2/8 of an inch. And we'll do the same thing on both sides. Just cut them like that, because that's how the seasoning is gonna get to the meat in there, because we're gonna cook this skin on and everything, and then the skin's gonna come off at the end so easy that you won't believe it. This is how it looks. That's the opening. So now we're gonna season, and I like to use this complete seasoning from Badia. You can use any seasoning of your preference. I can only guarantee this one because this is the one that I use. If you use a different one, I don't know if it's gonna taste the same, but this for sure tastes really good. Now you also want to make sure that your season goes in those cuts, inside the cuts that we made on the skin. So you're gonna powder the seasoning those cuts, and then you're gonna powder all over it. Give it a nice rub. And we'll do the same thing on both sides, making sure the seasoning gets in there. There you have it. Look how pretty they are. You see how the seasoning going in the cuts in there? Perfect. That is actually perfect. And there are seasoning inside as well. This is ready. So we're gonna do the same thing on all 3 of them. I don't know how many you're gonna cook, but I did these 3 for me and my wife, and I think my son's coming later today. So I got 3 here. This is a full-size fish. This is enough for one person. I'm telling you, it is enough. One fish enough for one person. So here you have it. One more thing, you might want to cut this fins on the side, top and bottom. So using a kitchen scissor, you want to cut those fins, because these don't make anything, and all they are just more bones. So make sure you cut them off like that, and the fish is gonna actually look even better. So I cut them. This one had like 2 or 3 on each side, and then one on top and one on the bottom. So I will not cut the tail, because the tail will look nice on the plate. But I only cut in the fins on the side, top and bottom. There you have it. Look how beautiful this fish looks. This is a trout, fresh from the market, from the fish market this morning. And we're gonna slice some limes here. We don't have enough like to have at least like 3 slices inside each fish. So we're gonna slice the lime like that. And we're also gonna use fresh garlic, fresh garlic, and we're gonna slice the garlic also like that, and that's gonna go inside the fish as well. You'll see. It's gonna look beautiful, but not only that, it's gonna taste super like nothing you've tasted before. So you're gonna put like 3 slices of that lime in there, so it covers the entire cavity in there. And we're gonna put enough garlic as well. That's to your preference. This is the amount that I like. Garlic and lime in there. There you have it. It looks like a sandwich. You see? That's how it should look. So we're gonna do the same thing on all 3 of my fish here. And we're gonna go outside to the grill. The grill is already hot, so I can only stand my hand there for about 3 to 5 seconds. So that means that's ready. Super hot. So initially you want it hot because you want those markings initially there. So after you put the fish there, only for about 30 seconds, then you lower the temperature to low. Cannot go crazy with high temp, because they're just gonna disintegrate on your grill, and you are gonna have a mess. So we're gonna leave it there for about 7 minutes. See how they're looking so far. Well, I'm gonna give them about 7 minutes on each side, and that should be enough, but I'm gonna torch him just to make sure. Let's see how this actually look after 7 minutes. I'm gonna flip this over. There you go. Look at how pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty that skin looks with the grill marks. They contrast with the slits that we did, and it looks beautiful. I mean, I think it looks beautiful. But just wait till you taste this one. It's gonna be a really, really, really good one. So, same thing. I'm gonna give it like at 7 minutes on this side as well. Low heat, and I think that should be it for them. So I'm gonna give them there about 7 minutes, and you see how they look now. I'm just gonna flip them back over, and now they should be ready. I'm gonna do the test to see that you touch them like that, they should be firm. And if you leave the skin like this, they should be firm and they should look white, like it's cooked inside. So this is good for me. We're gonna take this out of the grill, take it inside for plating. I'm gonna put this here on the side. Look at how beautiful those trouts look there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And look at the grill marks on that one. Whoo, hoo, hoo. That makes me hungry for sure. And I'm hoping it makes you hungry, so you go to the fish market and get one. And here's how I'll plate it. I'll plate it with tostones here. I have videos on tostones. These are tostones de pana. You can also have regular tostones or mofongo, or you can just make your own rice, veggies, whatever you want to pair with it. That's up to you. But here's the fish. I'm gonna put some lime juice right over it. And if I lift this up just like that, you see how easy the skin comes off. It's so easy. It just comes off easy. And I'll just fork it here, and it comes out so soft and tender. And this is super, super, super good. I love it. I hope you enjoy it. There you have it. Trout on the grill, step by step with Ray Moretto. Take care. So until next time.